Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use filters to narrow down your search on the Abercrombie application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below and click on either the shop now button or the search bar at the top. Then select a category at the top of the screen and click on the filter button in the right side. Then you should select a category, tap on the save button. You can select the sizes, then tap on the save button, then set the color as well. Tap on save and then click on see results down below, and here you can find the relevant results according to your set filters and according to your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.